GoLogin has completely changed the way I work online. If you ever been locked out of a platform, had your account flagged, or struggled to manage multiple logins without getting banned, you know how frustrating it can be. I have been there too. That's why I started using GoLogin. It's not just another browser, it's a tool that lets me manage multiple accounts without detection, access blocked sites, and stay completely anonymous online. In this video, I will show you exactly how it works, how it can make your online life 10x easier, and at the end of this video, I will include my promo code where you get 2 free gig proxies plus 40% discount with the link in the description. And you don't want to miss it out. And let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Trying to access a website and get hit with this content is unavailable in your region. Or maybe you juggling multiple accounts, switching back and forth only to get flagged or banned. And don't even get me started on website tracking your every click and move. The internet used to first open and free. Now it feels like every step is monitored, restricted, or blocked. But what if you could take back control? Here's the truth. Every time you browse online, websites are collecting your fingerprint, your IP, your device info, even your behavior. That's how they track you across the web. That's how accounts get flagged. That's how geo-blocks and bans happen. If you are running an online business, manage multiple clients, or just trying to watch your favorite shows from abroad, it becomes a frustrating, risky experience. Regular browsers were not built for this, but GoLogin was. GoLogin is the anti-detect browser that makes your online activity invisible to website. Whether you want more freedom, more security, or more accounts, GoLogin delivers all. Number 1. Unblock anything, anytime. Want to access website or streaming services blocked in your country? GoLogin lets you change your virtual location instantly, no complicated setup required. Number 2. Total digital privacy. Regular browser leak your data, GoLogin mask it. It prevents fingerprinting, hides your IP, and block trackers completely. Your online activities become truly anonymous. Number 3. Multiple account management. Manage multiple Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, or Google account without logging in and out or risking bans. Each profile has its own environment, like using a completely different device every time. Number 4. Team collaboration done right. Need to work with VAs, freelancers, or partners? You can securely share profiles with anyone without ever giving them your passwords. Number 6. No more tracking or bans. With GoLogins, your accounts are shielded. There is no more getting flagged, no more captcha every 5 minutes, and no more sudden bans. Just smooth, secure browsing. Number 6. Free residential proxies. And here's a bonus. Every GoLogin users get 2 gigs of residential proxies, which mean faster, more reliable, and safer connection globally. You don't have to buy any external proxy service, it's built in. Online entrepreneurs use GoLogin to manage client account at scale. Researchers use it to access region-locked content. Digital nomads use it to work securely from anywhere. Even affiliate marketers and dropshippers love it for bypassing platform bans. If you value your freedom, privacy, and control online, GoLogin is a must-have. Whether you are a creator, business owners, freelancers, or just someone tired of online limits, this tool is built for you. Try it completely free and get 2 gigs of residential proxies to start. Just click the link in the description and see what the world internet feels like. Don't forget to use my promo code in the description box where you get 2 gig of free residential proxies as a bonus. And when you sign up for GoLogin using my referral link, you get a 40% discount on any plan of your choice. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you can be a part of Make Money Right community. And don't forget to subscribe as well to stay updated whenever we post a new video. On this channel, we share tips and different ways to make money online to boost your income, whether you start from scratch with zero experience. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.